Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get the builder character in the game Timelines. To unlock this powerful character, you must perform a very specific action within the game world. This method is the sole way to add builder to your roster, ensuring a clear and direct path. It requires precision and understanding of the game's mechanics to successfully achieve. Let's dive into the exact steps you need to take to master this challenge. The key to unlocking builder lies in mastering the parry mechanic. A parry is a defensive maneuver where you block an enemy's attack with perfect timing, often stunning them or creating an opening. It is not just about blocking, but about timing your defense precisely as an attack lands. This skill is crucial for survival and progression in the game, and it is the foundation for obtaining the builder character. To get the builder, you need to successfully perform 12 parries. This specific number is a direct requirement within the game. It is important to note that these 12 parries must be completed within a single instance, meaning you cannot accumulate them across multiple play sessions. Concentrate on your defensive strategy and precise timing to meet this challenge effectively. Once you have successfully executed all 12 parries, the game will immediately recognize your achievement. The builder character will then become available for you to select and play. Navigate to your character selection screen to find your new addition. With Builder, you can explore new strategies and enjoy a fresh gameplay experience, utilizing their unique skills to overcome future challenges in Timelines.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.